Now comes one more astronomical measurement, which is represented as parsec. Now, one parsec is abbreviated form of 1 parallactic second. Now, the definition is slightly complex. Now, to make you understand this concept, you have to take a case of, let's say, you have a sun here, okay, and then you have Earth over here. Now we know that the distance between the sun and Earth is 1 astronomical unit, which is a lot of amount of distance. It's a very gigantic figure. Now let us say you are at some place in the space from where you are observing the sun and Earth together, and the angle that these two, that is sun and Earth, makes is 1 second of an arc. Okay, now what is 1 second of an arc? 1 degree angle, if you divide it in 60 parts, then each part is 1 minute. And if you further divide this 1 minute into 60 parts, then you get 1 second. Okay, so 1 second is 1 by 3,600 part of a degree. So it's a very small angle. So now you can imagine, if you are at a very far away distance from sun and Earth, and if you are observing both of them together, the angle that is made in your eye for the two objects is just 1 second. Okay, so this distance is 1 parsec. Okay, now let me read out the definition. It is the distance at which mean radius of Earth's orbit subtends an angle of 1 second of an arc. Okay, so when we shall be doing the problems on parsec, then this concept of parallactic second will be more clear. That we'll be doing in the next session. Okay, now let us look at the calculation aspect of what or how 1 parsec is calculated. Now we know that if you observe 2 points from a given place, okay, and let's say the angle subtended is theta in radians, okay, by these 2 points, and if you draw a arc, then let's say this arc length is L, then this angle theta is given by arc length upon radius r. Now if you use this equation wherein the theta is in radians, arc length and radius are in meters, then you can find out the radius to be equal to arc length upon length, okay, or the distance. Now similarly, if you are here, you are the observer and you are observing sun and Earth. Now this distance is such high, the distance is comparatively so high in comparison to 1 astronomical unit, that this arc length, if drawn from this point of observation, will be almost equal to 1 astronomical unit. That means the straight line distance between sun and Earth. Okay, so radius, which is 1 parsec in this case, should be equal to 1 AU and divided by the angle, which is 1 second of an arc, right? Now you have to convert 1 second of arc in radians. Now let us see the calculation. 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 is 1 astronomical unit expressed in SI unit, and 1 second of an arc, 1 radian is, if you convert into 1 degree, if you convert into radians, you will get pi by 180. So this is a conversion factor of 1 degree into radians, and if you wish to convert 1 degree into second, then this is the total expression for 1 second in terms of radian, pi by 180 into 1 by 3600. So if you calculate this, you will get 1 parsec equal to 3.0857 into 10 to the power 16 meters. Now this 1 parsec is written as 1 pc, which is equal to roughly equal to 3.26 light years. Okay, so if you wish to write the distances in increasing order, then AU is smaller than light year, which is further smaller than 1 parsec. Okay,